Hey guys, welcome back to Cocktail Vlog, and boy do I have a drink for you. Today we are making a Tokyo iced tea. Perfect for your next party, perfect if you want to get wasted. It's tasty, and what more can you wish? This one's originally made with Midori green melon liqueur, Japanese liqueur that was very popular back in the 1980s. So this was probably the time when this cocktail was invented. I'm guessing it was real popular back in the 80s and 90s. It's still popular. Many of my customers order it quite often and they love it. So without further ado, let's make Tokyo iced tea. We are going to start with gin, 15 mils, half an ounce. You basically add half an ounce of everything except lime juice, that's 1 ounce. So followed by triple sec, 15 mils, half an ounce. Vodka, 15 mils, half an ounce. Light rum, 15 mils, half an ounce. Tequila, I'm using Jose Cuervo Reposado, 15 mils. And green melon liqueur, I don't have Midori, I have the Kuipers, but it will do the job. 15 mils, half an ounce. Last but not least, lime juice, freshly squeezed, 1 ounce, 30 mils. Now add ice. And shake the cocktail for about 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now fill a glass with ice. Nope. Where are you running, little fella? And strain the cocktail over fresh ice. Top up with lemon lime soda, Sprite 7up, or something else, depends where you're from and what you got. Add a slice of lime or lemon, and that's it, ladies and gents, Tokyo iced tea. Cheers! Yeah, strong melon, lime dominant, alcohol. You can taste it, but you're definitely going to feel it after a couple of minutes or a couple of days. Awesome. And ladies and gents, that's it. We made a Tokyo iced tea, real easy to make. Very popular recipe, very strong. Be careful with this one, even if you can't taste the alcohol, it's really strong, it has quite a kick. Melon, lime, and lemon lime soda, they cover it pretty well, so take it easy. But I'm guessing you already tried this. If not, try it, try to make it. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.